My name is John Phelps, and I'm one of the welding instructors. The classes at Clackamas Community College are primarily focused on a type of welding. For example, shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding. We currently have 34 welding booths. We're on a manifold system. This allows students to set up and operate in just a matter of minutes. In this part of the shop, we have all of these small wire feed welders, and these welders are used for welding light gauge material. Clackamas Community College has 4 credentials you can earn. 2 of them can be done in as little as 6 months. We're one of the few locations in the state that are also a WABO accredited testing facility. When students take classes here, they don't just learn about welding. We learn about blueprint reading, welding symbols, fabrication. Our welding department has invested a lot of money in brand new electronic welding helmets that we have available. We also have leather jackets available for you to wear. In our tool room, we're fully stocked so that the learning continues for the duration of class. Once learning this skill, it'll be with you forever. And the flexibility you have at going anywhere you want at any point is really powerful. We look forward to working with you and helping you achieve your goals in welding. Thank you.